starting with week 4. Hammurabi, sixth ruler of Babylon, ruled over his people by a code of law that was crafted to protect the weak people from the strong, reigning over 40 years till 1750 BC in Babylon. Egypt conquered its neighbors with a strong and well-built army, about 2040 to 1650. During the Middle Kingdom, arts and literature and trading were also flourishing. The Shang dynasty, known for silk and known for its pictographs, ruled one of the earliest Chinese civilizations from about 1700 till 1100 BC. In Egypt, the new kingdom started in 1550 BC, and Thutmose, Hatshepsut, King Tut, and Ramses, all those pharaohs brought prosperity and power to the land. Assyrians were experts at waging war and built a vast library in Nineveh. 612 BC were conquered by Babylon, famous for hanging gardens of Babylon. The Exodus occurred around 1446 BC. God chose Moses as the man who would lead the Israelites out of years of slavery, 400 years of Pharaoh's hand, leaving the Egyptian land, Moses and his friends.